Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Webull Stock Screener. This powerful tool helps you discover new investment opportunities by filtering through thousands of stocks. You can quickly narrow down your choices based on specific criteria, making your research more efficient. We'll cover everything from basic setup to advanced customization, ensuring you can tailor the screener to your unique trading strategy and find stocks that fit your goals. Let's begin with the basic filtering options available in the Webull screener. You can easily filter stocks by essential metrics like market capitalization, current price, and average daily trading volume. This allows you to quickly exclude stocks outside your preferred range. Additionally, you can select specific industries or sectors to focus your search, or utilize one of the convenient preset screens for a quick start to your analysis. Now, let's explore the advanced customization features. The Webull screener allows you to apply sophisticated technical indicators, such as the relative strength index or moving average convergence divergence, to refine your search. You can also filter by fundamental data, like a price-to-earnings ratio below 15 or an earnings per share growth above 10%. Remember to save your custom screening templates for easy access later. Once you've applied your filters, it's time to analyze the results. The screener will present a list of stocks that meet all your specified criteria. Carefully review each potential investment, examining its key metrics and charts. From there, you can add promising stocks to your personal watch list for further monitoring and deeper research, helping you make informed trading decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.